How does the Due Process Clause protect property and economic liberty? Imagine a world where the government could seize your property or restrict your ability to earn a living without any legal safeguards. Fortunately, the United States Constitution provides protections to prevent such arbitrary actions through the Due Process Clause. This clause is found in the Fifth Amendment for actions taken by the federal government and in the 14th Amendment for state governments. Its primary purpose is to ensure that no person is deprived of life, liberty, or property without fair legal procedures. The Due Process Clause safeguards property rights by requiring that any government action that results in the deprivation of property must follow established legal procedures. This means that before property can be taken or significantly affected, individuals must be given notice and an opportunity to be heard in a fair hearing. Courts have interpreted this to mean that property owners have a right to contest government actions that threaten their ownership or use of property. For example, if a local government attempts to seize land for public use, they must provide proper notice, a hearing, and compensation if the land is taken through eminent domain. In addition to protecting property rights, the Due Process Clause also plays a vital role in defending economic liberty. Economic liberty refers to the freedom to engage in lawful business activities, choose one's occupation, and enter into contracts. The clause ensures that laws or regulations that restrict these freedoms are not applied arbitrarily or without a fair process. For instance, if a state imposes licensing requirements on certain professions, courts examine whether these regulations are reasonable and serve a legitimate public purpose. If they are overly restrictive or enacted without proper procedures, courts may find them unconstitutional. Furthermore, the Due Process Clause has been used to strike down laws that unfairly hinder economic activity. Courts often scrutinize economic regulations to ensure they do not violate principles of fairness and justice. This judicial review helps maintain a balance between government authority and individual economic freedoms, preventing arbitrary or discriminatory actions that could stifle innovation or entrepreneurship. Overall, the Due Process Clause acts as a fundamental safeguard that ensures government actions affecting property and economic rights are conducted fairly, transparently, and in accordance with established legal standards. It protects individuals from unjust government interference and promotes a stable environment for economic growth and personal ownership.